Hi everyone, welcome to SSR classes. Today in this video we have to draw a 45-degree angle by using protractor. So constructing a 45-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw a line of any length. So first drawing a line of any length here. Next, marking here a point. Now using protractor, so putting the protractor on the line perfectly. Next, counting the angle. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So between 40 to 50 we can get 45-degree angle. So this is 45-degree angle. Okay. Now joining this side to get 45-degree angle. So first joining this side. Okay, so we got 45-degree angle by joining this. So this is P, Q and this is R. So angle PQR is 45-degree angle. So therefore angle PQR equal to 45-degree angle. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then please share it with your friend. Thanks.